cook, faka cube rama into olive oil, and then ufaka ama-veg wakho, which is the onions and robot peppers. Let them fry. Then add your spices now, which are mixed herbs, chicken spice, flavorful and mild, turmeric, paprika, lemon and black pepper, Indian cheese, vegetable spice. Uyigalele mntase ungasaba sizelanga lapho ukudla ku-blend. We want flavor, okay? Then shortly after that, uthathe i-chicken stock, uyifake namanzi ashisayo, ugoqoze until imelte yonke, and then uyiphonsele kule mixture. With immediate effect, ufake i-baby spinach, umrorho wabantwana, fake laphaya for i-iron nekhala. Yes, fantastic. Set it aside. Manje sesiya ku-pasta, amanzi ane-oil netswayi. Qeda ke uyayiboil until al dente. Then let's set aside oyibekile. Uyayithatha futhi uyifaka ku-pasta. Bese sothatha isosi ithenge Woolworths, babe. Sun-dried tomato and pecorino pasta sauce. I-packet nenye half. Uyayisqueeze yonke lapho, uyifaka yonke. Faka wena. Then after lapho uyayigoqoza until wonke ama-vegetables wakho ne-pasta ihlangene. Siyeke-ke. Siye kunyama-ke manje. Izinto zakhona. Fish. Faka isi-fish spice kuyi-fish yakho ne-salt ne-pepper for seasoning. Asiphakeleni. Ngicela ukuthi wenze make sure la ukuthi presentation yakho i-right. It's very essential. Hayi amachaphazele plating, please. Then ufake avocado for taste. Neleyo fish, ufake a dollop of cottage cheese, honey. And then finish it off with a wedge of lemon. Squeeze it around and enjoy. Thank you.